Hi, I'm Rob. Welcome back to the dashboard headquarters. I just want to show one more aspect of doing long rips. In the other videos, we were using the saw on this side of the table, and we were cutting this direction based on where we had the rip stops set up in the Outriggers. So the question is, what if you want to do narrower rips and you would prefer to be physically closer to the table because you're only ripping narrow pieces and you don't need that extra capability? Well, we can turn this whole situation around and put the Outriggers on this side of the table as they are, but we will be cutting on that side. And so let me show you how that sets up. Okay, so we've got the sheet up here. It's mostly supported by the Outriggers over there. And so I'll just drop it into place, pull it up against the stops, grab the rail, and drop that right into the track stars as we have done before. Now we're ready to cut. Now as far as setting these stops, I've just taken the final length, width that I want, which is 50 millimeters, added the blade kerf, set that dimension here and here with my random pieces of scrap, and we're ready to go for repeat cuts. Okay, so there's our cut. Here's our piece. It's very well supported, didn't fall to the ground, nice and controlled, and very consistent. So all you need to do to move to the next piece is slide this over up against the stops and make your next cut. You will find that if you put a little piece of the same material you're cutting under this end of the rail, it'll help you slide the workpiece under up to the next part you want to cut. This end is already supported because the tongue of the rip fence is doing that job. So now we're ready to make the next cut and proceed cutting up the whole sheet. And so this is a great way, once again, with the long rip configuration, to make lots of identical pieces very easily. Thanks for watching.